ذلكم الله ربكم لا إله إلا هو خالق كل شيء فاعبدوه وهو على كل شيء وكيل.
ज़ालिकुम अल्लाहु रब्बुकुम, वो है अल्लाह तुम्हारा रब। असल में ये अंदाज समझ लीजिए कि चूंकि जो ये मुशरिकीन मक्का और अरब थे वो अल्लाह को मानते तो थे, असल में उसकी सिफात कमाल, उसकी कुदरत, उसकी अजमत, उसके बारे में उनका जहन कुछ जो है महदूद हो गया था, वरना अल्लाह के मुनकिर तो वो नहीं थे। ज़ालिकुम अल्लाहु रब्बुकुम, देखो जिस अल्लाह को तुम मानते हो वो है वो अल्लाह जिसकी ये शान है। तुमने उसकी असल हकीकत को नहीं पहचाना, तुमने उसको जो है बहुत ही कमजोर और ज़ईफ सी कुछ शख्सियत समझा है कि जिसके ऊपर कोई दबाव डालकर भी अपनी बात मनवा लेगा। तुमने समझा है जैसे कि तुम्हारी कोई बच्ची आ जाए और तुमसे कुछ चीज मांगे, तो अगर तुम दे सकते हो तो जरूर दे देते हो। ऐसे ही उसकी बच्चियां भी हैं, ये फरिश्ते जो हैं जिसकी सिफारिश करेंगी वो जो है सब बख्श दिए जाएंगे। ये तुमने अपने ऊपर कयास कर लिया है अल्लाह ताला को, उसकी कुदरत, उसकी अजमत, उसका वराउल वरा होना, उसका बिकुल्ल शैइन अलीम होना, उसका अला कुल्ल शैइन कदीर होना, उसका हर जगह पर मौजूद होना, इसका तुम तसव्वुर नहीं कर पा रहे। ज़ालिकुमुल्लाहु रब्बुकुम, वो है अल्लाह तुम्हारा रब जो जिसको हम इस तरह बयान कर रहे हैं। ला इलाहा इल्ला हुआ, उसके सिवा कोई माबूद नहीं है। खालिक़ु कुल्ल शै, वो हर शय का बनाने वाला, पैदा करने वाला है। फाबुदूह, बस उसी की बंदगी और परस्तिश करो। वह हुवा अला कुल्ल शैइन वकील, और वो हर शय का कारसाज वही है, कोई तुम्हारे लिए कारसाज नहीं। ला तत्तखिज़ू मिन दूनी वकीला, मेरे सिवा किसी और को अपना कारसाज न समझना।
ذَلِكُمُ رَبُّكُمْ لَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا هُوَ. That is Allah. He's introducing himself again. First he introduced himself with his creative power. Now he's introducing himself. How can I have a son? Why would you do shirk with me? The next introduction was an introduction to Allah without shirk. The first introduction to Allah was an introduction to Allah after his powers, his power to create. Now, that is Allah in fact, not what you have in your minds. Your master, La ilaha illa huwa. No one is to be worshipped or obeyed in any way, shape or form except He. Khaliqu kulli shay'in, the creator of everything. This is one of those ayat that I am just absolutely baffled by from a linguistic point of view. Again, can't go too much into detail, but at least a droplet I have to share with you. Surah Ghafir. I believe the ayah number is 26 in Surah Ghafir. I'll read some of it for you. ذَلِكُمُ rabbukum begins the same way. ذَلِكُمُ rabbukum. خَالِقُ كُلِّ شَيْءٍ لَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا هُوَ. That's what Surah Ghafir says. خَالِقُ كُلِّ شَيْءٍ لَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا هُوَ. Any difference? What's the difference? The sequence has been altered. This is not just a sequence of words, it's a sequence of an entire phrase. There Allah said, that is Allah your master. He, the creator of everything. No one is to be worshipped except He. Here He says, that is Allah your master. No one is to be worshipped and obeyed except He, the creator of everything. He switched the two sentences in their order. Now we'll get to Ghafir when we get to Ghafir, but here the conversation is first, the immediate preceding conversation is about a denial of shirk. Who did they associate with Allah? Jinn. Then what did they give Him? Sons and daughters. Then they associated He has a son, that He's not the creator of the original creator of the skies and the earth. So the real battle is that of us understanding that you cannot do what with Him? Shirk. What is placed first when He's introduced then properly? La ilaha illa huwa. Secondarily, obviously then, He is the creator of everything. Khaliqu kulli shay. So at Ghafir, when you study it on your own, you're going to find there's a discussion about creation. And when there's a conversation about creation, what sentence placement came first? Khaliqu kulli shay'in, the creator of everything. Therefore no one should be worshipped and obeyed except He. فَاعْبُدُوهُ, then enslave yourselves to Him. وَهُوَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ وَكِيلٍ, and He is taking care of all things. This wakala is mentioned at the end for a reason. Why did people associate partners with Allah? Because the idea was they'll take care of our business. They're the ones that can handle the day-to-day. People worship the tree because it represents good agriculture. People worship the sun because if it shines too bright, then our crop will be burnt. We're going to die. People worship the moon because it brought in the tide that brought in the fish. People worship the stars. because if a star falls like this, then we'll have good luck, we'll have a child. They thought these particular benefits will come from these particular gods. Hindus took it a step further. They directly worship like Lakshmi, the god of wealth. It's literally like the god of dollar signs. They worship that to get rich, right? Literally to get rich. So this is wakala. Allah says Allah will take care of all of your issues. You don't have to set up different departments. In governments you have different departments. You go to the sanitation department for this, you go to the police for that. So there's one God for protection, one God for good luck, one God for children, one God for this, one God for that. Allah says He's wakeel. He'll take care of everything.